What's up? Hello guys, Paul here and welcome back to another video. And I'm with my brother. Say hi.
Cheese.
No, say hi.
Hi.
And say hi, Leon.
Hi, Leon.
Alright. Let's go to my room. Oh no. Oh no. Let's run. Run, baby, run. Okay, I close my door and lock it. So, I got slime. I just have slime for a reason. It's satisfying, but it's my sister's, and I like throwing it in the air. Like, I just don't care. Okay, so, you guys are probably wondering why I've been gone for so long. Well, sad news. So if you guys had watched, my video where I showed you my guys' dogs, which was my first video ever, well, not the one I just showed you, but because, you know, he's dying. But, my other one passed away, sadly, and I know, and there's also been school things going on, which I'm very sad. It feels really weird without him, but that's just how life is. I mean, you know, my poster has fallen down because he's so sad. But I would say he passed away at least a month ago, but, you know, yeah, that's just how life is. But anyways, I am sorry I haven't made a video in a while. You know, I just told you the reason why, and, you know, life is like that. And, you know, so, yeah. So, I will keep making a video. Hold on. I'm going to take the picture what I want for, you know. Wait, what should I do? Oh, well. So, wait, hi! My dog died and I don't know what to do. Hello. I know this isn't gonna be the thing. Okay. Very weird. Okay, so, yeah. School is one of the problems why I haven't been making videos. And I don't think Keep Coming Dab has been making much videos either. Which we're sorry about that, but that's just what happens in life. So yeah. If you're wondering, why the heck do you have a baby sheep? I do not. I've been watching that show ever since I was a kid, which I'm still a kid. Whenever I was a baby, I started watching it. Okay, so, there's rabbits on my wall. Say for yourself. Rabbits on my wall. I know. I've been spotted. I No, no, they pushed me on the ground. What shall I do? Okay, I'm weird. Keep coming, Deb or Bryson, whatever. If you're watching this right now, thank you. So I'm just gonna tell you right now, like the video, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And if you just now started watching, you are now a Pauler. And like I said last video, I'm not trying to copy off of Jake Paul, and I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm weird. The slime, though, it's not fluffy, it's just slime with balls in it. Yep. I'm not a dirty minded, just to let you know. Yeah. And so, my shout out for today is going to be my friend Ainsley. She's very nice. And Ainsley, if you're watching this right now, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah. So, yeah, and I don't know what to say. I'm so weird. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm tired, so I'm about to go to bed, even though it's the weekend and I should be spending my lifetime. But it's almost 9, which is my usual bedtime I go to, and I'm used to going to bed at that time, so, you know, it's just who I am. So, I will... Alright, so tomorrow, I might be seeing Keep Calm and Dab, or that one gamer. I don't think you guys know that one gamer, because he hasn't even started YouTube yet. I don't know why, Ethan. Yes, his name is Ethan. That one gamer is his YouTube name. So yeah. You know, I'm Paul1323, just call me Paul, but, you know, my name is Reagan. Yeah, you probably know that from Keep Calm and Dab, and, you know, Keep Calm and Dab, his name is Bryson, and, yeah. So, go check out his videos, he's awesome. I'll leave it down in the description. So, yeah. I will see you guys all later. Bye.